my strategy is always the same. I always look at the really big picture. I always go out on a monthly chart saying, where are we in the really big picture? And then I'll start zooming in. But I think one of the key areas when you are looking at charts, as we do all day, you simply look at the big picture. What is the big picture saying to you? And then the small picture, that's what we call the noise. And if you can learn to differentiate between what's noise, what's genuine, you have one step ahead of the competition. It's always about being one step ahead in everything that you do. Trying to think of not what is happening right now, but what are they going to think tomorrow? My big tool is always, how old is this bull market, or how old is this bear market? Because like any human being, we go through phases of sustained trend, but they tend to last the same amount of time, no matter what you're dealing with, whether it's a stock or whether it's a commodity or currency. And I try to put that into context of where have we been, where are we now, and where are we headed. That's the that's the three key questions that I always ask myself when I sit and analyze a chart. But the best thing about trading the financial markets is not sitting and analyzing the charts. It's feeling the euphoria of being in a winning position, or feeling the emotional pressure when you're in a losing position. That really is what trading is all about. So I always say to people, you know what, you can actually teach the basic of reading these charts in a very short space of time, but it will take you a lifetime of mastering your emotions. That's where the hardest bit. Just take a look at Nick Leeson. You know, he got into a position, it went wrong a little bit, and he let a very relatively small loss, which probably was no more than £20,000, run into an $800 million loss. So again, it really perpetuates how important it is to be in control over your emotions when you're dealing with the market. And the best thing any person who is reading charts can do is just to be a lean, mean, unemotional chart reading machine.